Observe very carefully, all of you. This is what we will discuss only term 1 mathematics syllabus, class 10th mathematics syllabus. How many chapters are there and what is the deleted portion in that chapters only. So first I will say the number of chapters and what is that names. Please mark it. So if you observe, first chapter is chapter number 1 for board exam, term 1. Mark it with a red pen or something. Term 1, chapter number 1. Next chapter number 2. Chapter number 2. Next chapter number 3. In that later I will say the deleted portion. First you mark it, what is the chapters are there. Chapter number 3 is there. Next chapter number 6. Chapter number 4 and 5 not there. Chapter number 6. Next chapter number 7. Chapter number 8. Next 9, 10, 11 not there. Next directly chapter number 12. 11 also not there. Chapter number 12 and chapter number 15. These are for board term 1. Are you marked it? Totally how many number of chapters? Count it and tell me now. For term 1? 8. 8 chapters for term 1. Clear? 8 chapters is for term 1. So term 2, how many chapters will be there? Remaining chapters. That is you can mark it. That is we will discuss later. Now term 1. Coming to the chapter number 1. In that what is the deleted portion? All of you. First coming to chapter number 1. What is our chapter number 1? Real numbers. So real numbers, that marks also I am saying. From real numbers in term 1 examination, we are going to get 6 marks. How many marks? 6 marks we are going to get. In that 1.2 is completely deleted. 1.2 is completely deleted. Euclid division lemma, and the questions related is exercise 1.1. Please note it down. Exercise 1.1 not there. Deleted. Clear? Any doubt? You can ask.
Go that exercise and cross mark.
And that exercise also, page number 7 it is there. Page number 7. Page number 7 exercise, you can directly cross it. Next, second one is 1.3 is there. 1.5, revisiting irrational numbers. This is deleted portion. These two concepts are deleted from the real numbers. Clear? And exercise, related questions is exercise 1.3 is there. Page number I will solve. Please mark it. Page number 1.3. Exercise you can also say 1.3 page number 14. 14 complete exercise. Is it okay all of you? This is what the real numbers. What is the total number of marks? 6 marks, and these two concepts are deleted. Marked it? Any doubt? Ask me. Or you say yes or
No,
not.
sir.
Once you clear it, you can say. So even page number also I am
Yes,
saying
sir.
exercises. You have to mark it. Next. Next second. Polynomials you come. Polynomials 2.1, 2.2, 2.3 is there. 2.4 is not there. Division algorithm for polynomials is deleted portion. Division algorithm for polynomials. Mark it. And the syllabus exercise is related to exercise 2.3. Open that. 2.3 page number I will say. Page number 2.3. Page number 36. Page 36. You also can say before me if you know. Page number 36. Next.
Optional exercise.
And optional exercise is there. Check it all of you. Page number 36. Do you have optional exercise? Optional exercise.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Optional exercise also. Some questions are there related to that. That is 3, 4, 5. 3, 4, 5 are deleted portion. Mark it. 1, 2 is existed. 3, 4, 5 is deleted. Clear? Yes?
Yes, sir.
No? Yes? 3, 4, 5 is deleted. Akhil Arfan, are you marking? And 1, 2 is existed.
Yes, sir.
Okay, da? That is. Everybody you can say respond. So 1, 2 is existed portion. Exercise 2.4. Optional exercise. 3, 4, 5 is deleted. And exercise 2.3 is completely deleted. You can strike it. Exercise 2.3 is completely deleted. And exercise 2.4, 1 and 2 questions are there. 3, 4, 5 is deleted. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Next, pair of linear equations in 2 variables. All of you come. Pair of linear equations in 2 variables. Everything is existed. Only 3.4.3 cross multiplication is deleted portion. Remaining all the things are there. Only one method is deleted. That is what? Cross multiplication method. So that exercise is related to 3.5. Exercise 3.5. Page number. Wait, page number 62. Check it all of you. Page number 62. In that also, question number 1 and 3 is deleted.
Remaining question you can solve either substitution method
And you see,
elimination method.
and one thing I am saying you, question number 1 and 3 deleted. Do you understand all of you? Remaining questions are there. Have you checked it? Question number 2 and 4 subdivisions are there. Have you checked it?
Yes, sir.
That questions you have to solve in either substitution method or elimination method. Do you understand? Are you clear? So remaining questions you have to use any other methods, either substitution methods or elimination method. That is what I am saying. Only question number 1 and 3 cross multiplication method. So that question alone is not there. But you remember that 2 questions also you can try with the substitution method and elimination method. Kevin and Padmavarshini, are you there in meeting? What I am saying, question number 1, 3 may be cross multiplication method, but same questions you may solve with the substitution method or elimination method. Do you understand? So cross multiplication method not there.
Yes, sir.
Even though the questions are existed with the cross multiplication, you try with the another 2 methods, substitution method and elimination method. Cross multiplication method not there. Page number 62.
Total marks come
Now,
from
total marks from polynomials. I forgot that. So total marks coming from polynomials.
polynomials and real numbers is 10 marks.
Okay.
That is algebra, correct?
Okay.
Polynomials,
So
linear,
real numbers and polynomials, both they are going to ask you 10 marks.
not real numbers. Polynomials and pair of linear equations, 10 marks.
Oh, understood, Ra. Sorry, Ra. Actually, real numbers, how many marks I said? 6 marks, Ra. Clear? Real numbers
6 marks. Sir.
and polynomials plus linear, pair of linear equations. From the both the chapters, you are going to get 10 marks. Okay? Both the chapters. Okay, da? Both the chapters going to get 10 marks. Mark it. Pair of linear equations and as well as polynomials. Clear? Now, next coming to the triangles. Triangles, if it comes to there,
No deletion.
no deletion at
Very
all.
difficult chapter.
No deletion and most important chapter. No deletion in this.
Total 6 marks.
Total number of marks is 6 marks. Please mark that. 6 marks. Clear? Ra? The triangle is fully existed, no deletion. Now, next chapter number 7, coordinate geometry, all of you open. Again, it is going to come from this also 6 marks. How many marks? 6 marks. Now, in this, only one thing is deleted, that is area of triangle. 7.4 is deleted portion.
7. Exercise.
Exercise number, you can see it and tell me, please.
7.
Exercise number 7.3. Check it, all of you. Page number solunga, please.
Page number 170.
Page number 170 is there. Just check it, all of you.
Complete deletion.
It is completely deleted. Ra. Okay, all of you. Area of a triangle. Exercise 7.3, page number 170. Fully deleted. That. Clear? All of you. 6 marks, coordinate geometry. Okay. Any doubt? Ask. Now, here also one optional exercise is there. Please check it, all of you. 7.4 optional exercise is there. Purinjicha. So in that optional exercise, 6th and 7th question are deleted. All of you mark that. 6th and 7th question are deleted. 6, 7 question only deleted portion. Remaining all is there. 1, 2, 3, 4 is there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 6 and 7 deleted. Okay, da?
Okay.
Mark it, because you are not supposed to get confusion later. Sir, you are not told deleted portion. We are facing this problem. That is all. Because last year, even before board exams, anyhow success, they have been cancelled. But before board exams also, they don't know what is deleted portion. That is what the problem. So that is why this year before itself we are clear everything. So optional exercise, what is the deleted questions? 6 and
7.
7.
7 and 7.3 fully deleted. Okay, 7.3 completely deleted and 6 and 7 questions only deleted in the 7.4 optional exercise. Remaining how to do it. Now, introduction to trigonometry. Introduction to trigonometry, the number of marks will come is 5 marks. How many marks? 5 marks. Okay, da? Now in that, the deleted portion is 8.4. Trigonometric ratios of complementary angles. Trigonometric ratios of complementary angles. In that, exercise 8.3 is fully deleted. Please mark it. Exercise 8.3 is fully deleted. Page number solunga. Anybody? Fastly. Page number? Pranav?
189.
189. Yeah. 189. Page number. Exercise 189. Very good. So 189 is completely deleted. Next. Exercise 8.4. Exercise 8.4. You check it, all of you. Exercise 8.4. 8.4 is there. Page number 183. In that,
190. Yes, sir. Yes.
only question number 3 is deleted. Question number 3 is deleted. Please mark it. Okay, da? Trigonometric ratios of complementary angles. Is it okay? Yes or no? Solo. Page number 189. Exercise 3.
Yes, sir.
Fully deleted.
Yes, sir.
Sir,
Exercise
8.3 fully deleted, sir.
8.3 fully deleted, Pranav. And 8.4, page number 193. Only question number 3 is deleted. Okay, va?
Okay, sir. Okay, sir.
Okay, sir.
You have to be very clear in this. No doubt at all. Sir, half total, how many marks? Half total, how many marks? What is this, Akhil? I am not
50
getting.
marks. Total 50
50 marks, 50 marks. 10 marks internal and 40 marks exam. Okay, Akhil?
Okay, sir.
Next. Next over. This all not there. Next, areas related to circles. Coming to the areas related to circles, 4 marks. Total number of marks are asking what? 4 marks. 4 marks. Now, in this, actually, there is no deletion, but one kind of deletion is there that I will say you.
Segment.
No deletion actually. Fully is there, but the any kind of segment and sector of a circle, if you'll observe, only the angle related to 120 question is deleted. If angle is 120, that questions you have to avoid it. Remaining existed, everything is there. Only areas of sector and segment of circle, 120 angle is deleted. If you want, page number, I will say the example also. Page number 228. Please all of you open page number 228. Page 228. So page number 228, if you'll observe, example 3 is there. Please check it, all of you. EG, example 3 is there. That kind of question is deleted. Okay, da?
Okay, sir.
Example 3
Okay,
means
sir.
full chapter is there as usual. Full chapter is there, but only the angle which is related to what? Areas of sector and segment of circle related to 120 is deleted. Okay, da? 120. Example I am saying. Example what? Page number 228. Example number 3 is deleted. Okay, va?
Okay.
That's all. So remaining all is there. Now coming to the last chapter. How many marks is over? Count it. 36 marks over. Yes? 36, 37 marks over. I think 37 marks over, correct? Now remaining last probability. So probability we are going to get last remaining marks. How many marks? 3 marks. Okay. So in this also no deletion. Okay, all of you. Yes.
Okay.
Okay, sir.
So probability no deletion. So next, areas related to circle, only the questions related to 120 angle is deleted. And in that also sector and segment of circle. So totally 4 plus 3, 7. Now 40 marks is coming. Once we verify, Kevin, tell me, Kevin, what do you want? Kevin Solra?
Sir, trigonometry 5 marks, sir.
Trigonometry 5. Totally coming 40 or not? Verify.
Sir.
Okay, that is. So major chapters I am saying you, the chapter which are going to you face any problem means trigonometry only. So trigonometries and triangles are little bit tricky, and as well as you are going to, if you are going to lose the marks, the 2 chapters only. So please kindly concentrate on. And coordinate geometry, it is a easy chapter only. It is not that much. You can easily do it, but more marks are there. You can check it. Triangles also 6 marks. Coordinate geometry 6 marks. And the introduction to trigonometry is also 6 marks. And polynomials and pair of linear equations. How many marks? Polynomials and pair of linear equations?
10
10 marks.
10 marks. So that these chapters you have to majorly have to concentrate. Akhil Arfan, first board exam 40 marks ra, and 10 marks internal. 10 marks school, like your portfolios, your internal assessments and all will go. Only you are going to write 40 marks. Completely MCQs. Okay, Akhil? And term 2, again 40 marks it will be there. Okay? Clear, Akhil? Don't be get confused. Only
sir.
we are going to write 90 minutes time. That is. So this is all about the term 1 syllabus and the questions which are going to come only 3 types. One is MCQ questions. First kind of questions, MCQs. Next, case study questions. Case study questions also like MCQs only. Do you understand, Ra? Only we are choosing option MCQs only. Next,
Assertion
and reason. This is also MCQs only because we have to choose options only A, B, C, D. So these are the 3 models of questions we are going to get. So this is all about the related portion of mathematics. I think you don't have any confusion with the including page numbers. If you are clear with this, I will stop the video. That's all. Thank you so much, all of you. You can leave from the meeting now. You can share the information to all your friends because still even see today only we are coming to know our, even though we are everything following up, today only we are coming to know, correct? So pass the information to everybody of your friends. Let them know everybody's clear. Help the friends know it's not wrong. Thank you all of you.
Sir, don't math questions for term 2.
Term 2 we will discuss later, Jesse.